mean, get into it. Get into it. Okay? This is like a fresh doobie wrap, bang having, fresh relaxed wig. Bring me back to the 70s. It's kind of the vibes I'm feeling. This is your girl Candy Glam. I am back with another wig review. I'm coming to you guys with something a little bit different. If you can't tell by the title below, it's Amazon, y'all. And so I wanted to do something a little bit affordable because we are in a crisis, obviously. We've all been quarantined, but I wanted to give you something fun, something cute, something affordable, cheap, and for my natural girls. It is this beautiful wig that I will be taking out soon, but I just wanted to show you guys the box. Most of my wigs don't even come in a box like this, so Amazon, kudos for that. So this is a good storage box. I know exactly where to put this right back. So I'm going to be reading it off my phone only because Amazon is good for long, and I mean drawn out titles. So let me just show you what it looks like on Amazon. That is the girl. That's the wig. So the title is, well, the company is Elim. I'm going to put it down in the description box, but let me just give you this long title. So it's Elim Short, Curly, Kinky Wigs for Black Women. Fluffy, wavy black synthetic hair, wig natural looking wigs, heat resistant wigs with wig cap 250G Z014. Now Amazon, really? I feel like this lash is like acting up. Okay, Amazon, really? We know you trying to get them keywords in there, because if we Google this wig, anything that we Google, we're gonna pop up with that, because that title is just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. Okay, so let me just give you the deets. I'm gonna have to just read it because it's just too much. So the material, 100% top quality heat, friendly synthetic fiber. Texture, short, curly wig with soft touch and natural looking. Texture. Color, black, match with your skin perfectly. Length is 16 inches. So let's just get into this, okay? So this is the box. And I'm just going to dim my light just a little bit. Alright, so I'm just dimming my light so you can see the box. This is how the box came. And so when I open it, this is the wig. And I mean black. This is like a one. I mean black. So I'm just going to put the wig down for now, just because I want to show you what it came with. So it came with a cute brush. I will not be using this. This is like it will take every bit of my natural hair out. And it will look like it will make the wigs shed even more than they already shed. I mean, I probably won't ever use this. It came with gold earrings. I don't know if my camera's picking that up. Probably won't wear them. And it came with a wig cap, which is cute. And it's the black wig cap. And it came with another wig cap. 2-piece. Can't go wrong with 2 of these. I need more. Thank you. Oh, and it came with a cute little thank you note. And it does give you instructions on how to cap your hair in the wig cap for those who have long hair, which is nice to know. And then with a thank you note. And it does come with a cute little wig bag, which I'm going to need. So, with all that being said, let's get to the deets. This is the wig. I took everything off. I just want to show you the curls on this. I mean, the curls are so pretty and bouncy. I mean, oh my god. This is like reminding me of back in the day when I had a perm, or a relaxer, let me say that, a relaxer for us African American women. And I had them fresh doobie wraps. This is what it's reminding me of, fresh out the dryer. So this is what it looked like. So inside though, I'm already a little bit disappointed because you guys know how I feel about my supports, and there's absolutely none. There is no combs inside, y'all. None. Which you mean with this, I may not need it, because this is supposed to lay on your head like a natural hairstyle with a bang. So we'll see. And it does come with a draw strap though. So you do have your draw straps. It's just no combs. I feel like I'm already looking like somebody's grandma, y'all. Okay, this is a little snug on the head, so it's good. Support is good. Off the bat, it's a clear heck to the no. I feel like I'm a very cool grandma. Yeah. So let's just figure out what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna kind of like finger this out. Let me just do a little something. Let me take my ring off. It's getting snagged on stuff. Ooh, okay. Just going to finger detangle this out. One second. Yeah, I need a mirror. I need a mirror. Let me come back. I absolutely love this hair. It is so soft. It's kind of like a yucky mixture of a silky. It does feel like so good. Y'all, I have not run into any shedding, which is pretty good. And again, this could be because the hair is short, but guys, I will let you know. But this hair is awesome. So I just kind of wanted to squeeze that in there somewhere into the video, that this hair feels awesome. And it does come with a perfume smell to me, and it smells really good to me. But the hair is beautiful in my opinion. It's not too shiny, although on the camera it might pick it up as that. I'm not sure, but in real life, you guys, it's not. Hands down, love. I can't stop messing with it. And I love it because you can kind of form your curls because they're so tight. So you can just take this and twist. Do your thing. You guys, I love this. I probably would buy this wig again. And they do come in different colors. I just got black because this is just the most natural looking one they had. But this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a natural looking wig. You can kind of form it however way you want. You can kind of cut it if you want. Cut the bang a little bit. I just love it. Make it flatter if you want. I love it. Love it. I just love it. But I love big hair. So you guys comment down below what you think, because I'm loving it. You guys, I'm loving this wig. I love it. And I love that you can kind of form your own curls, because it's such tightly wound curls that it kind of goes back to its curl pattern. I just love it. It's big. I love big hair. I really think I was born in the wrong decade. Nah, I was born in the right decade. But as far as fashion style, I just love the 70s, big hair. I just love this. I can't get my hands out of it. So yeah, you guys, if you love this hairstyle, this wig, if this is your cup of tea, comment and subscribe. Obviously, thumbs up down below. If you want to know more about it, if you want more of these type of videos, please let me know. I have more coming from Amazon, of course. And yeah, This is your girl Candy Glam. Thanks for coming to my channel. If you want more of these videos, please thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Share these videos, you guys. I have more coming. But yeah, thanks for just coming to my channel and supporting. I mean, I love that. So yeah, bye.